Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Есть тут кто-нибудь? Часть вторая. Страница 84-85. English, Starlight 3. Is there anybody here? Homework, part number 2. Page number 84-85. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 84. 84. Grammarland. Some and you know. Is there any milk in the fridge? Есть ли молоко в холодильнике? Are there any fairy cakes? Есть ли сказочные пирожные? No, there isn't any milk. And there are no fairy cakes in the fridge. Нет молока, нет сказочных пирожных в холодильнике. But there is some juice. Но есть сок. Remember, can I have some tea, please? Можно мне чая, пожалуйста? Boys and girls, do exercise number 1. Complete use a, an, or some. Is there anybody here? Есть тут кто-нибудь? Запомните, используйте an или some. The answer: an orange, a banana, some bread, a hot dog, some rice, an apple, some milk, some fairy cakes. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look at the picture in exercise number 1 again and complete the sentences. Снова посмотрите на картинку в упражнении 1 и дополните предложение. The answer. Is there any rice on the table? Yes, there is some rice on the table. Are there any tomatoes? No, there are no tomatoes. Is there any milk? Yes, there is some milk. Is there any tea? No, there isn't any tea. Are there any fairy cakes? Yes, there are some fairy cakes. Is there any cheese? No, there is no cheese. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Ask and answer, as in the example. Спросите и ответьте, как указано в примере. Apples, juice, ice cream, milk, burgers, sandwiches, cheese, carrots, sugar, bread, hot dogs, fairy cakes. Can I have some apples, please? Yes, there are some apples. Can I have some juice, please? Sorry, there isn't any juice. The answer. Can I have some apples, please? Yes, there are some apples. Can I have some juice, please? Sorry, there isn't any juice. Can I have some ice cream, please? Sorry, there isn't any ice cream. Can I have some milk, please? Yes, there is some milk. Can I have some burgers, please? Yes, there are some burgers. Can I have some sandwiches, please? Sorry, there are no sandwiches. Could I have some cheese, please? Yes, there is some cheese. Could I have some carrots, please? Sorry, there are no carrots. Can I have some sugar, please? Yes, there is some sugar. Can I have some bread, please? Yes, there is some bread. Can I have some hot dogs, please? Sorry, there are no hot dogs. Can I have some fairy cakes, please? Yes, there are some fairy cakes. Boys and girls of new books, please. Page number 85. Exercise number 4. What is there in the fridge? Memory game. Что есть в холодильнике? Игра на память. Water, milk, cheese, tomatoes, potatoes, orange juice. Is there any water? No, there's no water. Oh no, there isn't any water. The answer. Is there any water? No, there's no water. Oh no, there isn't any water. Is there any milk? Yes, there is some milk. Is there any cheese? No, there isn't any cheese. Oh, no, there's no cheese. Are there any tomatoes? Yes, there are some tomatoes. Are there any tomatoes? No, there are no tomatoes. Oh no, there aren't any tomatoes. Is there any orange juice? Yes, there is some orange juice. Somebody, something. Кто-то, что-то. There is somebody at the door. Is there any body at the door? There isn't any body at the door. There's no body at the door. There is something under the bed. There isn't anything under the bed. Is there anything under the bed? There's nothing under the bed. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Complete the sentences. Use somebody, anybody, nobody, something, anything, or nothing. Закончите предложение. Используйте кто-нибудь, кто-нибудь, никто, что-то, что-нибудь или ничего. The answer. Hello. Is there anybody here? They're all at the cinema. There's nobody home. Is there anything you want to tell me? No, nothing. Listen to your grandma. She's telling you something. I can't help you. There's nothing I can do about it. There's somebody here for you, but I don't know his name. Do you know anybody here? Only Irina. There's something on your sandwich. What is it? My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.